when I bought this, I was comparing this particular product with this one. I don't know, I shouldn't have, but somewhere it was written as bond repair, and immediately my mind was like, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Pragya, aka Glam by Pragya. So in today's video, as you have seen the title, I am gonna be talking about the Minimalist Maleic Hair Bond Repair Complex. I have been trying this product out for a couple of weeks now. It can be around 3 weeks. I have used it 3 times. So I really wanted to share you my thoughts and my experience with this product, because I really have a very skeptical thought about this particular product. And yes, I will show you guys how I used it, how to use it, and how you can get a bit more of results with this product, and my overall thought about this product as well. So yes, if you want to know, please stay tuned. And yes, without any further ado, let's just get rolling. Now coming to this product, this is the Maleic Bond Repair Complex with 0.5%. It is a hair serum and it contains amino acids, argan oil, squalene, which will repair and protect hair bonds, and that is what it claims. And this is the packaging where it comes in a very nice packaging, and I really like this white cardboard thing which has all these sort of captions written that honesty and transparency make you vulnerable, be honest and transparent anyway, and a lack of transparency results in disrupts and a deep sense of insecurity. So I really like how they have written captions. Like, if you guys are missing out in captions in Instagram, you might need help. So anyways, now coming to the product, the packaging is super nice. I felt it is very luxe looking. I really like how this packaging looks. It looks like I bought something very expensive, but it is only priced at $4.99 and contains 50 ml of product. And this has a dropper thing, which is also very convenient. I really like that. Now the star ingredient or the hero ingredient they have mentioned over here is the malic acid. Now I have honestly never heard about the ingredient malic acid. This is the first time. So when I did a little bit of study about what it is, I got to know that it actually helps in improving collagen in your hair. It helps to strengthen your hair. It helps in reversing the hair damage, and it kind of restore your hair bonds. Some way it will really work as a conditioning effect, and also will work on the damaged part of your hair. Whenever you're using this particular thing, you are not using on your hair scalp. Okay, and now coming to the other ingredients that are incorporated with it and which are also a part of the serum. It has the capric triglycerides, and which is also a fat based ingredient, which will help you to really get that very soft smooth hair. It helps in conditioning, it helps in restoring hair health, I would say, and get over that damage and that breakage that happens. Then it contains coconut oil, then it contains malic acid, then it also contains some other oils. It also contains choline, glycerine, and then soya bean oil, and it also contains carrot root extract, and then it contains tocopherol, which is also a conditioning ingredient. So these are some ingredients that it has. Now coming to my experience, when I first use it, the smell, okay, whenever I try a product, first is the smell. So it has fragrance to it, which they have mentioned in the ingredient list. I don't have issue with that, but the fragrance is not good. Okay, I don't know if you have used it, you liked it, I'm not sure. I personally cannot tolerate this fragrance. It has such a sweet yet pungent smell to it. Like, I cannot explain how it smells. It doesn't smell very nice. Okay, so I really didn't feel good about the fragrance. Now coming to the consistency, it has a very ultra lightweight oil finish. Like, it is super lightweight, as if it's gonna get absorbed to your hair very quickly. It is something that I would say it's not heavy. It's not like an heavy castor oil or something, or a thick serum. It is super lightweight. If you can see, it's very runny, very lightweight, and I really like that part. So I started applying it onto my hair, but when I was applying to my hair, I didn't feel like it was applying good, but it was feeling a bit dry. It was feeling I'm like tugging my hair, and I was not feeling like very smooth. Like, I cannot explain how it is feeling. But if you ever buy this product and if you apply, you will understand what I'm trying to explain. that when I am applying this product, it doesn't give me that very satisfaction of like of my application. Okay, so the application was good. Overall, I applied generously all over my hair, everywhere. It was drenched, my hair was drenched with this particular repair bond complex. Okay, so after that I kept it for 1 hour. They have said you have to keep it for at least 1 hour, so I kept it for 1 hour, and then I washed my hair with the L'Oreal Professional Metal Detox shampoo, which is also something that is gonna repair your bond, your hair breakage, like it's gonna work on that. So when I used this and I was shampooing my hair did not feel like that smooth. It was like I am like you know, stripping my hair off, like the oils and everything. I'm just stripping my hair off. So even after shampooing, when my hair was air dried, I did not see my hair looking very smooth, very healthy, or very shiny, very voluminous. Nothing at all. My hair was just flat, straight. Now my hair is wavy, so even though I have washed my hair should have some waves, but with this my hair was like flat, straight from the scalp. Though I haven't applied on the scalp, but it was like flat, straight. And you can see over here I am showing there is no shine, like the light is reflecting to my hair, but there is zero shine. It is just like normal hair texture, normal hair, I mean reflection. But I think when I apply normal coconut oil, I feel my hair is more soft, more shiny, more healthy. I have the Olaplex number 3 hair perfector. I think it is something that I have seen myself using more, because I really see that my hair bonds are working better. So I think this works much better. And when I bought this, I was comparing this particular product with this one. I don't know, I shouldn't have, but somewhere it was written as bond repair, and immediately my mind was like, I think it's not the case. But any which ways, even though as a hair serum, or if it is a hair oil, which I think it is a hybrid sort of a thing, according to me, it is not exactly a oil, it's not exactly a serum. This didn't work out that well for me, so I cannot tell what is happening internally. I have to judge based on the feel I get. So yes, then it is a no for me. I think that's all I really wanted to share with you guys about this particular product. And let me know if you have tried it, and if it worked for you any which ways. Let me know. And if you guys have stayed till here, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. That means a lot for me, because I really want to grow my channel and really want to see you guys subscribing, because it helps and motivates me a lot. And yes, we'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye.